Yo YouTube, it's your boy Singhjonathanx out here with another banger. Today we're going to be going up to strangers and holding them hands and see their reactions. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Oh, and thanks for 2,000 subscribers, I really appreciate it. More bangers coming soon. Out.
Who are you? Oh, what is?
You don't want to walk with me?
Oh, but I know you.
So you don't want to walk with me?
I want to prank this or something.
Hi. What's your name?
James.
Oh, you do med?
Yes.
You're in what year?
What year?
Okay, that's good. All right, thanks for walking with me.
No problem. So you don't want to walk with me? Come on.
I don't know you, sir.
So you don't want to walk with me?
I'm the wrong girl you have.
That's crazy.
You alright? What's your
You don't want to walk with me?
I like your glasses.
Thank you. You just start ringing up for hello. Do I know you?
Can I hold your hand?
I'm eating.
I can hold the other hand.
I'm at the library and I eat before I go inside. Mm-hmm. You're coming over here now? Oh, okay. Hello. Me say this you come hold me and I don't know him, you know. But where do you know me from?
That's your boyfriend?
This is my boyfriend.
Tell him I said hi.
He said I should tell you hi. Hi.
You like walking with me? No?
Yeah, you can walk with me, but I don't want to hold my hand.
Why not?
Because I don't like when people hold my hand.
Oh, okay.
I don't know the youth, honest to God. When you come here see him, he's coming over here right now.
Oh, so I must wait on him. Where I'm coming from?
You must wait on him.
Where I'm coming from? Where?
He's right over there.
Where? Where?
He's coming from Chancellor side.
That far?
Hello,
Hi,
how you doing?
I'm good.
You remember me from somewhere? What is it?
You can't wait?
No.
Yeah, you see me around our company? And
Where
want
is
to
he?
get to know me or what?
Oh, I just wondering where
Yeah.
your boyfriend is now, honestly, because I don't want to get beat up.
Oh, he's close by and he's coming and he's going to the airport.
Him can't beat me. I'm government, man. Can I walk with you?
No,
Why not?
I don't know you.
So you don't want to walk with me?
But anyway, I'm eating now, so I can't be. I need to hurry and go inside the library as well.
You have a class? Oh, you guys study with you?
Yeah, I need to study. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name? Is this your friend? Is this your friend?
So what's going on, you good, dog?
You good?
Mm-hmm. Oh, thanks for walking with me. I appreciate it.
So can you let go my
No,
hand
not
now so I
yet.
can
I'm
do
waiting on your boyfriend.
it? But you don't have to hold me to wait on a boyfriend.
But I want him to see that, we're together now. And he's like, he's
Is that
cancelled.
so? No. It doesn't work like that, see.
Okay. You don't want to walk with me?
know who you are.
So you don't want to walk with me?
No.
So you can't walk with me?
What?
You can't walk with me?
No.
You busy?
Yes, I have class.
Oh, no, but you
please
can
let
walk
me
with me.
go?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
My name is Alex.
Alex.
Yes.
Okay, Alex.
Yeah.
Which program are you in?
Sci-tech.
Sorry.
I do Something over I take. Is it me? What's your name?
Saskia.
Huh? Saskia?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice name.
Thank you.
So you don't want to hold my hand? Like properly? Not even for a little bit?
But you did.
Not properly. Oh,
You're
yes.
cold.
They are? I don't know. Can I walk with you, dog? Can I walk with you? Huh? Just walk with me. No, dog. I just didn't want to walk with somebody. Nothing serious. You see me? Ah, shit. Jano, dog. You weird? You know weird, dog. I just want them thing there. A joke. It's a video I'm doing, dog.
What is it? I don't. What is it?
Oh, no, come on. We're walking. Alright, you want to walk with me instead?
Why are you touching me?
You don't want to walk with me?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
No, why you want to walk with me? Why you woman? You not go class, sir?
Me?
Yeah.
Have a class?
Yes, you do.
Oh, you don't have a class?
I don't know. I just guess.
I do have a class.
You can let me go now.
Nah, it's okay. You don't like walking with me? Walk with me now, where you going? We're walking.
Who are you, sir? There we go.
How we go to class, your friend?
Where is that?
This way, this way, this way.
It's a prank video this. We're friend with the camera.
Yes, right.
Camera
Okay. Thanks.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to smash the like button again, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. Get the word out. Make them know that Singzima is here to stay, and we're pushing out content week after week after week. Don't expect me to stop anytime soon. So make sure you subscribe. You see me?